In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create long gradient text shadow effect in Canva. We'll start right inside Canva by opening a template so you've got a canvas to work on. Any size works, pick one that fits your final use, like a social post or thumbnail, so your text scales nicely later. On the left sidebar, click Apps. In the search bar that appears, type Extrude. When you see the app, open it. This tool is perfect for building that extended 3D shadow we want. Enter the words you'd like to style. Short, bold phrases work especially well, but use whatever best fits your design. If you can, choose a clean, legible font for a sharper shadow edge and stronger impact. Next, change the color to match your brand or project. High contrast colors help the shadow stand out, and you can always tweak it later. Now, open Edit Effect to fine-tune. Look for the distance control and increase it to stretch the shadow. The higher the distance, the longer and more dramatic your shadow becomes. Keep an eye on readability. Balance length with clarity. When you're happy, click Add to Design to place the styled text on your canvas. Resize it to fit your layout and use Canva's snap guides to align it centrally or with other elements. Head to Share at the top and download your design as a PNG. PNG preserves crisp edges and is ideal for text graphics. If you plan to overlay the text on multiple backgrounds, consider a transparent background for flexibility. Back on the canvas, insert the PNG you just downloaded and delete the previous version of the text to avoid duplicates. Now adjust the background color. Pick something that contrasts with your text color and supports the shadow. Darker backgrounds make long shadows pop, while lighter ones create a softer, airy vibe. Resize or reposition the text image again if needed. Return to Apps and search for Image Blender. Open it to add the gradient finesse. Choose the linear option, which lets you blend from one side to the other. You'll see draggable dots or handles on the gradient controls. Drag them to set the angle and the intensity of the gradient blur. Aim to keep the area closest to the letters a bit cleaner and let the far ends soften and fade. This creates that smooth transition from solid text to atmospheric depth, enhancing the long shadow illusion. When it looks balanced and polished, click Save. You've just created a long gradient text shadow effect in Canva, clean, modern, and ready to use anywhere.